Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In our last video, we made a very short introductory video on what HTML is all about. If you have not watched that video, you should go back and go and watch it. I'll also put a link to the video at the end of this video too. In this video, I promise to be showing you guys what you need to get started with HTML. So I will simply show you some text editors that you need to join this tutorial fully. So the first text editor, which is the one I'll be using for this tutorial, is the VS Code. You can go to their website. I'll also put a link to all these websites in the description. So try and check out the description to go to their site and download all these text editors of your choice. Make your choice. So I'll be using VS Code for this tutorial. The second text editor I'll be showing you guys is the Sublime test. So okay, I have a reason for recommending most of these text editors over the other ones, because these ones are the ones that they have some extensions that enables it to function well. While we progress through the class, you will see the reason why I choose some of these text editors over the others. So the second one I'm showing you here is the Sublime test. I'll also put a link to it in the description. Check it out if it is the text editor you want to use. The third one is Brackets. Brackets is a very nice text editor too. I'll also put a link to it in the description. All this I'm showing you is a text editor you can use to write a HTML document. So try and get one of these. So the other one I'm going to show you is Atom. You can check the description to get the link to this website and download it if it is the one you want to use. Like I said, me myself, I'm using Visual Studio. So the next one I'm going to show you is Notepad++. Notepad++, just like your normal Notepad, but with some advanced features. You can check out the link in the description and get it if it is the one you want to use for this class. So okay guys, these are the text editors you can use to join me in this my HTML tutorial. And also I'll be telling you one other thing you need. You need a browser. You need a browser. Browser is very, very important because your code is going to be, you're going to run your code on a browser. So you need a browser. You need either Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Safari, or Opera Mini. Just any of them. Just get one of them. You will be needing a browser to execute your code. That's where you will know whether what you are doing is okay, is it good. But I recommend you get Google Chrome. Another thing you'll be needing for this tutorial is internet connection. So many people will be like, why internet connection? So my reason for adding internet connection is that in case if you run into some problems, Google is a very good friend of yours. You can ask him and he will help you out. So there are a lot of resources I'll be sharing with you in these my tutorials. So join me in the next video. And also I want to advise those ones that are still using their mobile phone to practice. The honest truth is that I started practicing with my mobile phone, but your mobile phone will not give you what you want. Your mobile phone cannot build you a standard website. So try as much as possible to just practice. When you are able to get a system, then it will not be a big deal for you because you're already into processing. So if you are on your mobile phone, the text editor you'll be needing for this tutorial, if you're on Android, try Acode. I don't have a solution for those people in iOS because I've not tried out iOS before, but I will check it out and I'll tell you guys in the next video. So until then, see you in the next video.